Hello everyone. Today, November 25, 2021, we celebrate the 78th Statehood Day of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Exactly 78 years ago today, hundreds of representatives from across Bosnia and Herzegovina gathered to form a council that established independent statehood and declared equality for all citizens. Following the restoration of Bosnia and Herzegovina in 1943, the nation was assigned its own coat of arms. In 1998, the unified national flag was officially adopted. This flag features a blue band, emblazoned with a yellow triangle, 7 full stars, and 2 half stars. The triangle mirrors the shape of the Eastern European country, and symbolizes the multi-ethnic structure of all its citizens. Each color symbolizes Bosnia's historical neutrality, while the blue background illustrates their nation's solidarity with Europe, referencing the European Union's flag. Happy Statehood Day, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to Footprints for more videos.